Hi all! Today we're going to be making a Santa pop-up card. You can find the files to make this yourself on my channel. First, I'm going to make the card base. I'm going to cut and fold my cardstock, then add my green background pieces. Then I'm going to attach this design from the Miss Kate Cuttables to the front of my card. The next step is to assemble in the decorative pieces. I'm going to glue the brick pattern and the snow onto the red pieces and attach the black roof to the white piece. I'm being careful here to not glue over any of the folds for the pop-up. After this, I'm going to attach my Santa to the card. This begins with attaching my black mechanism piece to the card, keeping this triangle centered on the fold. Then, I'm going to attach Santa to the top of the fold of the black piece. Next up is this Z-shaped piece, which I'm going to line up the same way as the folds on the pop-up mechanism. Now it's time to add the chimney and the roof to the card. The red chimney piece will be attached to the right side of the card. Careful to lay flat when the card is folded. The black roof piece will be on the left side of the card in a similar way. And with that, we're all done. Check out the full video on my channel for more details.